we have discussed the component of the MS Access. So from the starting your course, we have discussed in the Access have a four component. First, the which table you have store and handle your data, and second is the query. With query, you have extract the data according to your requirement, and third, the form. Form is the make the user interface for the entering input, inserting and updating and viewing the data. And last, report. You have create the your report, your report from your data. So we have done the first part. Okay. My voice is not clear. Hello. Yeah, I have accepted. I have accepted. Accepted. Okay. So today we have discussed about the query. Query with query, we have extract the data as per my requirement. Okay. Just like you can see here, this is my data, but I don't want to extract the complete data. Okay. I want to data some particular part of the data. So for this, we have used the query. So in the query, we have two sections. First, the query wizard, and second, the design query. Query in the query wizard, we have make the query by clicking the mouse. Okay. So first, we have discussed about the query wizard. When you click on the query wizard, and we have the four options. First, the sample query, the cross tab, find duplicate, unmatched. So we have discussed first the sample query wizard. Then press the OK, and now you have select the table. Here the list box. Okay, your selected table will be already selected here, but you can change your table according to your requirement. Now, which column you want to add? Okay, so I want to ID also, year also, income, target, city or city here, and also we have customers. Okay, now next, and click the details, and next, and finish. Okay, so this is the query data query here. When you click here data query, you can see which column will be selected, same column will be coming here. Okay, we can also create the summary. Go to the query wizard, select simple query, next, and we have just I want to the total summary year wise and month wise. Yes, only for year wise, yearly. You have select the year and also select the orders. The next, and we click the summary, and also click the summary options. We have select so orders, the sum of the orders. Then okay, next, and finish. You can see we got the report summary of the my data table. So this is the data, and we make the query for the summary of yearly summary of the data. So do you understand what is the query? Any questions? Okay. So this is the query wizard. In the query wizard, we have understand we make the query according my requirement and also make the summary. Okay. But we have just like we I want to make the summary, but cross tab. It means matrix. My table in the matrix. So we have select here the row and column also. So select the data. Okay, data type. Then next, we have select, I want to yearly. So we have put the year in the row. Okay. Now month, and now you have select your calculation. Change the calculation here. The sum, the next, and finish. You can see yearly and month wise total coming here. Okay. That called cross type query. So we have discussed the simple query and cross query. And second, the find the duplicate and unmatched. So we have discussed this feature in the future classes because we need the different type of the data for this example. Okay. Now we have create the query two and three query, but this is a simple query. I want to data with conditions and also calculations. Many functions we want to add this my query. So that time we go to the design query. Click on the design query. In the design query, you have make query according you. So how can you go to the design query? Go to the create tab and just click here query design. Query design. Click on the query design, and we have also query link and also here tables. Select the table and drop here. So table will be coming here. Okay. So I want to conditional data. I want to conditional data. So first we have double click here. The star. Star it means the all column you want to view in the data. Okay. Now I want to add the conditions. Right. We have double click at the year, and this is the criteria tab. In the criteria, we have discussed the 2023. Okay. And the show. I don't because here already show in that all data. So we have uncheck here. Now we have close, yes, and then give the query name and OK. Now you have just double click on the query one. You can see the data only for 2023 data. Okay. So you have to first understand how can get the all data. Okay. You have just put the star in the field. It a star means all data. And now you have add your column, which column you want to add the conditions, right? Just like I want to add the month, click here and just double click on the month coming here, and we apply here Jan. Okay. And we just check here the show and close here. Yes. Double click here. You can see the 2003 Jan. Okay. Right click here to go to the design query, and we have put the Jan in the same address. Okay. But if you put the Jan in the or condition, this is the or conditions. Now press the OK and save. Now double click here. You can see the 2003 is also coming and also January is coming because this is the or condition, or it means both are any one condition will be matched, data will be shown. Okay. So yeah, right. Just like I want to show the multiple value in the same column. Okay. Okay. You can say here. So we have right here 2023 and put the or. 2021, right? And we have put the Jan, the month. Oh, sorry, remove here and put the here Jan. Okay, we have closed here. Now you can see. So 2021 and 23 will be coming, and only for Jan coming. Okay. So you have put the multiple conditions with and or with or. If you apply the or, it means both any one condition will be matched. Data will be shown, and both are the condition will match. Okay, it is clear. Just like we have run here, you can see this is the orders, and I want to orders between 50 to 80. 50 to 80, right? So we have deleted. So we have right here my orders. Double click on the orders already coming here, and we have give here is a greater than equal to 50, and just put and less than equal to 80. Okay. Now we have closed the my conditions. Then open. You can see here 50 to 80 will an order will be coming here. Okay. 80 orders. Right. So you have put here your conditions like greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, if your fill have a numbers. Okay, your fill have a numbers. And if you have the more condition, use the and. And now we want to the data, quarter one data like Jan, Feb, March. So we have put the here Jan, Feb, March. No need to apply all. Okay, so write one by one by one. You can see here Jan, Feb, March, and greater. But here you can see here greater than and less than 50 is not working. Greater than 50 and less than 80 is not working. Why? Because we have give the conditions in the or sections. In the or sections. So if you have the or and or also, if you want to show this and all this criteria, but in the month have a 3 month. In the month, you want to show the month in only 3 month data, not all. So that time we have right here Jan or Feb or March. Okay, put the same criteria line. So if you put the condition in the criteria line, maybe then and and if you write the criteria in the or conditions, that is the or conditions. Okay, not an and. You can see. So Jan, Feb, March data, but your number will be get between 50 to 80. Okay. So do you understand how can apply the criteria? Now I don't want to show the all data. I want to show the data, some particular columns of the data, and also I want to apply the condition in the data in the criteria. So we have all go to the create and we have go to the design query and just go to the table and drop the table here. Okay. So first we want to ID and we want to year and month, then the income, then order, target income, operation profit, city, payment method. Okay. So I want to just they are column, this column, and now I want to apply the conditions. Okay. So I want to conditions that I want to show you the payment, the online payment, not offline. So we have put the online. Okay, online. And now we have close, save, give the query name, and okay, and double click. I think problem in the no online is not available here. Cash and credit card. Okay, so we have go to the design view and right here cash. Tick. Okay, and now we have just click here. You can see the cash only showing here. It is okay. But problem is that every time we have fixed the my conditions, but in the official environment, this is not possible. Just like maybe your requirement is changed and you want to add the credit card. Okay, how can I enter? So that time in the square bracket, you have write the your conditions. Just like we have write the narration here. Ki please enter payment mode. Okay, and now we have save it. When you run the query 2, when you run the query 2, ask the payment method first. We are right here cash and just okay. You can see only for cash data will be coming. Now we have place here, type here the credit card. So credit card data will be saved here, right? Problem is that here is the some credit card, some card only for card, and somewhere the debit card. Okay, so I want to just enter the card here. I want to just enter the card here and card we pick. So sometime we have not the exact value. Okay, so we have right here like command. So right here like, and we have give the card in the start. You give the card here like card. Okay, and we have close it and save. Double click here. You can see the card will be show here, but only for card showing. This is the equal match. So we have some mistake here. You have right here the star, both side. That is the contain with card. Okay. Now double click here. You can see credit card and card both are the show here, and debit card also showing here. So when you have like use the like command, use the star. If you use the star, both sides of your text, this is the content. So your text coming in the any positions in the column will be considered. But I have just put the card and after the start. So your condition with a start with, if a start word is the card. After the card, any word will be considered. But you have write the star and card only. Star and text. That is the and with. The first value, your text will be and with card. Okay? You can see here, credit card will be showing here. So now we have, yeah, tell me again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Query will be changed, but need to rerun the query. Just like we have run here, and the data will be changing here. Just like you can see, the cash will be changed here card, right? And we have closed here. Here is the not show. Only for one card showing here. But rerun the query, again run the query, you can see the double time card will show. Okay, you can see. Oh, एक minute, 1 second. We have, I think, card, and we have changed the card. Two time the card, three time the card. Okay, we have closed it. Now run, and you can see here card, card, card. Okay, so need to rerun the query. Need to rerun the query. And you can also import this query to your other software, just like Excel. I want to show this is the data, this is the data for, this is the data for, I want to import data for, okay, in the Excel, but in the data for that query one, not a all data, just query one, query two, sorry, query two, this query two. So go to the data menu, and get data from database, and select the SQL, sorry, Access database, and select your database 4. Yeah, this is the data 4. Then import. Yeah, this is the query 2, and load. Some problem in the query 2. Okay, oh, sorry, my data 4 is the change. Because data 4, the file type the different, so have a problem. Okay, we have changed, we have click here, and now we have save as different format. Um, because this is the Access 2020 2000 file format, so we have a problem. Okay. What is the file? What is the file type? What is the file type? No, no, what is your Excel for your Excel version? If you have the Excel version greater than 2006, 2016, then Power Query is work. If you less than and equal to 2016, then your Power Query is not work because Power Query is the updated version. Yeah, no, but problem is कि your no no. First, if we your updated version also carry the your latest version also carry the your oldest version features, but oldest version features not carry the latest version features. Your Power Query options is the latest version features. So how can carry the oldest version? Okay, so this is a no way to use it because your Office is the older version. Okay, so do you understand the query? What is the query? I have sent the data. You have make the 5 to 10 query and send to me. Okay, query is the important part, and this is not of enough because we have also discussed the query in the 3 and 4 classes, and also the functions in the query, calculation in the query, and also connect the query with other features, and also use the SQL query language in the query. Okay, so now we have discussed the conditions in the query. How can apply the conditions? Okay, so do you understand? Okay, so we have sent the one files, data file. So you have import this data in the Access. How can import this data in the Access? So we have also discussed. We have opened the new Access file, create, and go to the external data, new source from file, and select the Excel. Go to the browse, go to the data drive, select your file, then open, and these are the three options. First, import as a data, just like copy and paste. Second, the append. If you have the data, you have add the before the data, you just merge this data in the below of the previous data, then you can use the append. And link, it means you have just create the link within Excel. When your Excel will be file will be changed, your data will be also changed. Then use the link. But now we have used only for the copy paste, imports date source data in the new table. And select the sheet. Which sheet have the data? Select the sheet here. Then next, and you will click here. The first column has a header. Then next, 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 and just change the name. Just like your name, change the data and finish and close. If you import regular this uh, data file from the your Excel, you have also save it. Okay. So my data is coming here. Now you have make the query. First, you have tried the your query from the query wizard, and after that, you go to the design query, and you have just select drop here. Your field will be coming here, and you have applied the query. If you want to the all show the all data, click here star. If you want to show one by one data, then use the just double click here. Okay, you have make it. And next class we have discussed how can calculate the how can do the calculation in the query, right?